Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alexandra, and today I am doing my patio makeover. Now, Andrew and I got lucky with this apartment. It comes with a huge patio. I know everyone in the city of Toronto doesn't have this big of an outdoor space, so we feel really, really lucky. I often refer to this apartment as the treehouse apartment because we're surrounded by trees. It's just so special. So I wanted to do it justice, and I hope you guys take some tips away from this video, no matter how big or how small your outdoor space is. I also want to note that I am making over a teeny tiny balcony as well. So if you have an apartment balcony, that video is coming to you very, very soon. Without further ado, let's get started. If you're new here, I recently moved onto the top floor of an old Victorian house with my two cats, Harriet and Marty, and my partner, Andrew. Follow me in this series where I transform this entire apartment room to room, giving you on-budget and renter-friendly solutions. You're watching my rental Reno. First things first, the deck is totally clear, and I'm gonna bring in an outdoor rug. Now, outdoor rugs these days come in so many fun patterns and colors. I went with something a little bit more neutral, but it has these cute little crosses all over it. I thought it was very Scandi inspired. I've had this outside actually throughout the spring, so it's rained a lot, and the rug is in really good shape. I feel like outdoor rugs nowadays are so durable, they're so easy to wash. I've linked all the products down below as per usual, so if you see anything that you like, the link will be down below. So the thing that obviously was so important to me on this patio was to have really comfortable furniture. I am someone who lives for the summer. I am my best self in the summer, and I work from home, so I want a really comfortable outdoor space. So I was so excited when Article said that they were gonna hook me up with some really amazing outdoor furniture. I mentioned them in my favorite places to buy decor video a couple videos ago. I'm gonna link that up here. They have such awesome stuff, from couches to beautiful armchairs, but their outdoor stuff is just absolutely incredible. It's all stuff that feels like it belongs indoors. I decided to get a sectional because, like I said, I want this to feel like an outdoor living room. Also, it's positioned right under this big, beautiful tree, so when I'm reading on it and looking up, I feel like I'm just in the trees. These cushions are removable, they're really comfy, and I will say that this has also been out for a lot of the spring. It's rained a ton, and the cushions are so weatherproof, so water resistant, it's incredible. 2 hours after it rains, they're dry, which is amazing. Beside the couch, I'm putting this beautiful Monstera plant in this it's kind of like a 70s inspired rattan planter. I just think it's a nice added touch to this corner. And then there's this beautiful chair coming in, also from Article. Guys, I'm obsessed with this chair so much. I think when the weather gets colder, I'm actually gonna bring this chair inside. This is an outdoor chair, but it could totally work indoors as well. I love how boho it is. It just feels like I'm in California or something. It's just, I love it. I love it so much. And it's really, really comfortable. I will say that I'm on the hunt for a coffee table or some sort of side table to put drinks on. That's the one thing that's missing from this couch area. If you guys have any suggestions, link them down in the comments below. I really honestly haven't been able to find one that I'm super in love with. So yeah, if you find any, let me know. So Article also offers in-home delivery and assembly for indoor and outdoor furniture. So I opted for the assembly outdoors with all this furniture, and they did it in maybe 20 minutes. They set up my whole patio for me. They built all the furniture super quickly. So I would highly recommend upgrading to that service because it was amazing customer service, and you don't have to worry about building everything, and it's done properly, and then you can just enjoy your outdoor space, which is the goal. So this next little hack is so great no matter what size your patio is. As long as you have a fence, this hack works. I found these flower pot hangers. They cost me $7 each, which is a steal. And I just screwed them into the fence, and I found these beautiful pots as well that just fit into the rings. These are all linked down below. And this instantly becomes the cutest little herb garden. So I spent a little bit more on the pots just because I thought they were really beautiful. I loved the white color, but you could honestly just go to the dollar store, get some terracotta pots, you can paint them, you can do fun designs on them, and suddenly you have an herb wall for under $50. I just actually was in Sweden. We went out for dinner and they had make your own pizza night, and they had these potted herbs, and then they had scissors, so you could cut the herbs and put them on your pizza. And I was like, I have to do that. So I just found a simple S-hook, cost me $1. I hung it over the fence, and I'm just putting some scissors here so when people come over, they can have fresh herbs on their barbecue. Super easy. It just turns this boring fence into something that's functional and also really beautiful. Article also hooked me up with this amazing dining table. This is also outdoor and weather resistant. This sits 6 people. Again, key for us because we want to have lots of dining space out here. We actually don't have a dining space inside, so the summer is really the time when I'm going to be entertaining a lot. So these chairs come in so many different fun colors, and I wanted a pop of color on this patio. I thought that these chairs were so fun just for a pop of color. I went for pink. What else? These are made out of power-coated steel. They're really durable, also weather resistant, and just like such a fun touch to this outdoor space. These are really comfortable on their own, but I wanted to add some outdoor cushions, and this is a tip for you guys at home. Seat cushions are a really affordable way to add color and pattern to your space. I know I've gone with something really neutral, but I did that because the chairs are so bright and poppy themselves. But if you have more neutral, kind of bland outdoor chairs, throw a fun seat cushion on it, and you've got something that just adds a hit of color. These cost me $6 each, so affordable and just a fun way to add some comfort outside. Next up is this beautiful planter from the Home Depot Canada. Fun little plug, I'm actually doing a video with them very soon on my channel. They challenged me to go online and find the most beautiful home decor I could, and it was such a fun challenge. It wasn't even a challenge actually. They have tons of beautiful stuff. This was one of the items that I picked up. It's made from recycled wood, so it's super earth friendly, and I've actually decided to plant some roses here. Now I am not a gardener by any means, but we had this open bit of the patio. You can kind of see into the next door neighbor's balcony area. So I thought that growing roses, there's some that like grow upwards, and I've put some trellises here, and my hope is that I'll have a beautiful rose bush at some point in my life, and it'll just kind of create a little bit of privacy in this corner. Wish me luck, guys. Also, leave me some tips down below. How do you take care of roses? I have no idea. Okay, guys, the next piece of decor is also from the Home Depot Canada, and they are these absolutely stunning patio lights. I am obsessed. I've gotten like cheap patio lights before, and honestly, it rains once, they're filled with water, they're ruined. These are like industrial quality. I think they use these ones in restaurants, and I just know that they're gonna hold up. They have beautiful glass vintage bulbs. This is such a simple piece of decor to add to your space. We literally just like strung them through the trees. Such a simple way to make you feel like you're hanging out on a restaurant patio, except it's your home. They're just such an amazing addition, and I'm so happy that I picked these up. Lighting is so important in an outdoor space. Warm lights like these, candles, lanterns, just light a bunch of candles, tea lights. That's it. So the last piece of furniture I'm putting in this space is a storage bench. This is such a crucial piece of furniture for a small or large outdoor space. It has 2 functions. One, to store all of your outdoor pillows, like these, and they're actually indoor cushions, so I have to make sure that they're protected when we go in at night. So a good way to do this is with a storage bench. Now I actually got a bag, a weatherproof bag that goes in this storage bench. So I put all my seat cushions and all my couch cushions in there at night. And on top, I'm gonna put a couple seat cushions on here. So it doubles as extra seating when we have guests over. And finally, I'm just adding a few finishing touches to this space. A couple candle votives on top of the table, a lantern beside the couch. I'm lighting the candles, setting the mood. And now it's time for the afters, which I might add, Carla got up onto our roof to get, so I hope you guys watch to the very end. There's some epic shots coming your way. I'm so happy with how this outdoor space turned out. I cannot wait to live out here all summer long. Let me know down below if you would do the herb garden. I'm obsessed with it. And thank you guys so much for watching as always. I got to do this for a living. I'm so happy about it. Okay, I will see you guys next week. Bye.